Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we'll be looking at the sound O. The name for this letter is O, and the sound it makes is O. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. O is for octopus. O, octopus, octopus. O is for orange. O, orange, orange. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich, ostrich. O is for otter. O, otter, otter. O is for ox. O, ox, ox. O is for olive. O, olive, olive. O is for octagon. O, octagon, octagon. O is for office. O, office, office. O is for on. O, on, on. O is for off. O, off, off. All of those words started with the sound O. Practice makes progress, so let's look at those words again. O is for octopus. O, octopus, octopus. O is for orange. O, orange, orange. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich, ostrich. O is for otter. O, otter, otter. O is for ox. O, ox, ox. O is for olive. O, olive, olive. O is for octagon. O, octagon, octagon. O is for office. O, office, office. O is for on. O, on, on. O is for off. O, off, off. That concludes our O words for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos just like this, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.